How to fix comms in Among Us. Among Us is the most trending title in 2020, which is a simple game belonging to the social deduction genre. It has the core theme of 4 to 10 players dropping onto a spaceship as crewmates, including one or more imposters. The imposters must kill and sabotage the ship, whereas the crewmates should complete all their tasks to win the game. There are several tasks available for the crewmates to perform, including the sabotage tasks. There are commonly 3 to 4 types of sabotage tasks in Among Us, and one of them is the communication fixing task. Once the imposters sabotage comms, crewmates won't be able to see their task list in the game, and all the CCTVs will also stop working. Hence, players need to locate these communication towers or radios on the maps of Among Us and fix it to take control of the game. This article shares a detailed guide for beginners to fix comms in every map of Among Us. There are a total of 3 maps in Among Us: Polis, Mirror HQ, and the Skeld. Fixing comms in Polis and the Skeld is a simple and similar task, but fixing Mirror HQ is quite complicated. This article runs through all the necessary steps on fixing the comms. Fixing comms in the Skeld and Polis is pretty easy. After the comms are sabotaged, players must follow the arrow appearing on the screen. The arrow leads to the comms or communication device, which the players need to fix. Tap on the highlighted prop. A radio screen will appear in the middle of the screen, with 2 sets of unmatched frequencies set side by side. There is a knob at the bottom right side of the radio, and players can turn it left or right like a joystick by clicking on it. Players have to adjust and match both the frequencies at the same level by turning the knob to the left or right. Players must stop moving the knob whenever the frequencies match or when the red button stops glowing. It indicates a successful fixation, and players will be able to see their task list again. Thanks for watching.